Have you ever asked AI a question, looked at the answer, and thought, that's it? If so, you're not alone. Most people think AI is just another search engine. They ask a quick question, get a generic answer, and assume that's all AI can do. But here's the secret. The difference between an average answer and an incredible one usually isn't the AI. It's the person asking the question. And so, today, I'm going to show you a simple system that will completely change how you use AI. I call it the AI operating system. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to get dramatically better results from almost any AI tool. Let's start with a simple example. Imagine you type, "Write me a business plan." You'll probably get a decent answer. But now imagine asking this instead. "You are an experienced business consultant. Help me create a business plan for a mobile car dealing business in a town of 50,000 people. Ask me any questions you need before making recommendations. Present the final plan as a simple step-by-step checklist." Same AI, completely different result. Why? Because you gave it direction. Think about it this way. If you walked into a hardware store and simply said, "I need a tool," the employee wouldn't know what to give you. But if you said, "I'm building a deck and need to drive screws into treated lumber," now they know exactly how to help. AI works the same way. The clearer your request, the better your results. Professionals don't use AI like Google. They use it like a teammate. And that's where the AI operating system begins. Here's the framework I use almost every time. It's called CRAFT. Each letter reminds you what to include in your prompt. C is for context. What's happening? What problem are you trying to solve? The more relevant information you provide, the better AI can tailor its response. R is for role. Tell AI who you want it to be. A teacher, a lawyer, a marketing expert, a chef, a financial coach. Giving AI a role helps shape the style and depth of its response. A is for action. Be specific. Don't say, "Help me with YouTube." Instead say, "Create a 90-day YouTube growth plan for a brand new educational channel." Specific requests lead to specific answers. F is for format. How do you want the information delivered? A checklist? A table? An email? A presentation? A step-by-step guide? Formatting the answer often makes it much easier to use. Finally, T is for tone. Professional, friendly, simple, motivational, funny. The tone helps AI match your audience and your goal.
Put all 5 pieces together and you've just upgraded your prompt from average to professional. Now let me share what I call the golden prompt. This is one prompt you can use for almost anything.
Act as the world's leading expert in the most relevant field for my request. If additional information would significantly improve your answer, ask for it before proceeding. Once you fully understand my goal, provide the best possible solution, not the quickest one. Be accurate, practical, and honest. When it's helpful, briefly explain your reasoning, organize your response clearly, and don't forget to identify any risks or better alternatives. And finish with 3 actionable next steps that will produce the greatest real-world results. Notice something important. The prompt doesn't ask a machine to guess. It encourages a conversation. That's how professionals work. They ask questions, they refine ideas, they improve the result together. Before we finish, here are 5 mistakes to avoid. Number 1, being too vague. Number 2, not giving enough context. Number 3, accepting the first answer without asking follow-up questions. Number 4, forgetting to tell AI what format you want. And number 5, treating AI like a search engine instead of a thinking partner. Avoid these mistakes, and your results will improve immediately. Here's my challenge for you. Today, pick one task you've been putting off. Maybe it's writing an email, planning a vacation, starting a business, learning a new skill. Use the craft framework and the golden prompt. Compare the results to how you've used AI before. I think you'll be surprised by the difference. This is only the beginning. Today, you've installed the first part of your AI operating system. In the next episode, we'll dive even deeper and learn how to write AI prompts that consistently produce better answers. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Breaking It Down. Remember, complicated doesn't have to stay complicated. You just have to break it down. I'll see you next time.